Welcome to Freedomfully, where we celebrate the journey of retirement together.
Get ready to make a splash and have a blast with a workout that feels more like a party than exercise. If you're looking for a fun, social, and incredibly effective way to stay fit in your golden years, then look no further than water aerobics. This invigorating activity combines the best of both worlds, the joint-friendly benefits of water with the energy and camaraderie of a group fitness class. It's a full-body workout that can improve your cardiovascular health, strength, flexibility, and balance, all while keeping you cool and comfortable. For seniors, water aerobics is a game changer. It provides a safe and supportive environment to move your body, challenge yourself, and connect with others. You don't need to be a strong swimmer or a seasoned athlete to participate. All you need is a swimsuit, a positive attitude, and a willingness to have fun. In this video, we're going to dive into the wonderful world of water aerobics and explore why it's one of the best forms of exercise for seniors. We'll cover the amazing benefits, what to expect in a typical class, and how to get started. So, grab your water bottle and get ready to jump in. So, what exactly is water aerobics? It's a form of aerobic exercise that is performed in a swimming pool, typically in waist-deep or chest-deep water. A certified instructor leads the class through a variety of movements, often set to upbeat music. These movements can include everything from walking and jogging in place to jumping jacks, leg kicks, and arm exercises. The water provides a natural resistance that makes the exercises more challenging than they would be on land, but it also provides a buoyant and supportive environment that is gentle on your joints. This is the magic of water aerobics. You get a fantastic workout without the jarring impact that can be so tough on aging joints. This makes it an ideal choice for seniors who are dealing with arthritis, osteoporosis, or other musculoskeletal conditions. The water's buoyancy reduces your body weight by up to 90%, allowing you to move with a freedom and ease that you may not have on land. Let's talk more about the incredible benefits of water aerobics. First and foremost, it's a phenomenal cardiovascular workout. The resistance of the water forces your heart and lungs to work harder, which strengthens your cardiovascular system, lowers your blood pressure, and improves your circulation. Regular participation in water aerobics can significantly reduce your risk of heart disease, stroke, and other chronic conditions. But that's not all. Water aerobics is also a fantastic way to build muscle strength and endurance. Every movement you make in the water is met with resistance from all directions, which means you're working multiple muscle groups at once. This can help you to build lean muscle mass, which is crucial for maintaining a healthy metabolism and strong bones. The resistance of the water also helps to improve your flexibility and range of motion. The water supports your limbs, allowing you to move them through a wider range of motion than you might be able to on land. This can help to reduce stiffness and improve your overall mobility. Balance is another key area where water aerobics shines. As we age, our sense of balance can decline, which increases our risk of falls. The unstable nature of the water challenges your core muscles and your proprioception, your body's ability to sense its position in space, which can lead to significant improvements in your balance and stability. The pool provides a safe environment to practice these balance-challenging movements without the fear of falling and getting injured. And let's not forget the mental and emotional benefits. The social aspect of a group fitness class can be a powerful antidote to loneliness and isolation. The camaraderie and support of your fellow classmates can be incredibly motivating and uplifting. The exercise itself releases endorphins, which have mood-boosting effects, and the calming sensation of the water can help to reduce stress and anxiety. A water aerobics class is a place where you can laugh, splash, and let go of your worries, all while doing something wonderful for your body and your mind. So, what can you expect in a typical water aerobics class? Most classes are about 45 to 60 minutes long and are led by a certified instructor. The class will usually start with a warm-up to get your muscles ready for exercise. This might involve some gentle stretching and light cardio movements. The main part of the class will consist of a variety of aerobic exercises, such as jogging, jumping jacks, and cross-country skiing, all modified for the water. The instructor may also incorporate strength training exercises using water weights, noodles, or other resistance tools. The class will typically end with a cool down and some gentle stretching to help your muscles recover. The instructor will provide modifications for all the exercises, so you can work at a level that is comfortable and challenging for you. Don't be afraid to talk to the instructor before class if you have any specific health concerns or limitations. Getting started with water aerobics is easy. Many community centers, YMCAs, and fitness clubs offer water aerobics classes specifically for seniors. Check with your local facilities to see what's available. You don't need any special equipment to get started, just a comfortable swimsuit. Some people like to wear water shoes to provide extra traction and support in the pool. It's also a good idea to bring a water bottle to stay hydrated and a towel for after class. When you go to your first class, arrive a few minutes early to introduce yourself to the instructor and let them know you're new. Find a spot in the pool where you feel comfortable, and don't be afraid to take breaks when you need to. The most important thing is to listen to your body and have fun. Water aerobics is more than just a workout. It's a celebration of movement, community, and healthy aging. It's a way to stay active, vibrant, and engaged in life. It's a testament to the fact that you're never too old to try something new and to discover the joy of moving your body. So, why not take the plunge? Find a class near you and dive into the fun. Your body, your mind, and your spirit will thank you for it. Get ready to make some waves and create a healthier, happier you.